In this video, we are going to talk about how you can integrate your Tally Prime with eVanik One World Suite. The first step that is required is to create a new Chrome profile on your Chrome browser. Click on your profile icon and add a new profile by clicking the Add button. In this pop-up, give a name which you can easily remember for adding your Chrome extension, which will be the next step. I'm calling it eVanik Tally. Select on any profile picture, which is easy to remember for you. Click on Add. Now, as you can see, there is a new profile which has got created, and the icon of that profile can be seen here on the top. Close this browser. Come on the desktop. As you can see, this new profile is there on your desktop. Right click on this. Click on Properties. Copy the target path that you can see here on a notepad. Like this. Create a new folder anywhere in your system. Remember never to delete that folder. I am creating a new folder on my system's desktop, and I'm calling it eVanik Tally for ease to remember. Open this folder. Create another folder within this folder and call it Data. This folder. Copy the path of this folder, as you can see here, by clicking on the browser path. Go to your notepad and paste the path here. The default path type, which is provided in eVanik, and replace the local system path within these inverted quotes. Copy this and paste it. Now copy this entire path, paste it just before the two hyphen marks, and enter a space. Now copy this entire path which you have created. Go to desktop, right click again on the Chrome folder, click on Properties, and replace the target path with the one that you just created. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now open the new browser profile that you have created. Open your eVanik One World Suite by keying in seller.evanik.com. Left bar, click on Integration, click on Tally ERP9, and install the Chrome extension by clicking here. This is the Google Chrome extension. Click on Add to Chrome button and click on Add extension. You can see the Chrome extension is installed on your browser. We will open the Tally software. I have Tally Prime installed on my system. Refresh this page, and as you can see, the Tally company has automatically been detected. Start syncing all your marketplace vouchers, starting from sales, returns, payments, commissions, and TCS seamlessly into your Tally ERP9 with eVanik One World Suite.